Another useful way to create a report is to use one built into CSI Linux. And this is really useful that they actually have this in there. It kind of ties into some of the tools that they present in CSI Linux. And in order to use it, we can just simply click on this Linux Start a Case here. And let me show you what it's going to look like. So this is the generic sample report that comes out of CSI Linux. And once we start a case, it'll start generating this report and start populating certain fields. We could also start a case and then simply come in here and edit this with our word processor. And we can see it's got some useful stuff here. We have case ID, document title, subtitle, suspect name, prepared by, company email, client information. You can place your logo. We have different alert levels here. We have a section for dates, so important things. We have the profile page here, so your target's photo here, name, email, location, partners, quick facts, online monkeys, related links, email addresses, conclusions, footers here. And of course, we could add or remove stuff as need be. But again, this is a really extraordinary template that they offer us using CSI Linux. So let me get back in here. We can click on Linux Start a Case, and I can click Start a Case here. And we could either open an existing case or start a new one. I'm going to start a new one and enter the case to add to this. I'm just going to put down test, investigator name, I'm going to put Jeff, case type, I'm going to put OSINT. So we have OSINT, SOCMET with social media, investigation, web, forensic, etc. You can put whatever you want. It's really not going to alter things. We can put the client name, address, city, state, zip, phone number, etc., etc. So I'm going to click OK, and then we can start going through here. We could do open source OSINT online, web investigation, video capture tools, etc., etc. I'm going to click this, and we can, once I click open source intelligence, it starts walking us through these different tools that we can start using to run that investigation. So we could do things like gather information, enter target domain name. I could do something like yahoo.com, for example. And it's going to start harvesting information from that. So again, really useful tool set, and whether you use these tools, go all the way through or not, or just get the template. Again, CSI Linux template, I think it's amazing. Or even if you want to create your own, it's a good template to take a look at and kind of reference to figure out how to, ways that you can build your own template. Don't feel like you need to get stuck in using someone else's template, that you're using their software, you have to use their template, or that you're not able to create your own things. Always set things up the way that you're going to need to, that your client is going to want or need things. So try to be flexible about it, not only in how you create your report, but also in how you handle your investigations. Now, this is going to take a while. I'm not going to leave it running, but I did want to show you the basic template that comes in CSI Linux, both to either use it or come up with your own ideas to create your own report template. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.